Hello, it's Dwayne here with PhoenixTypewriter.com. Yes, we are going to show you how to put those feed rollers back on this machine. This is a Royal. What we got here? Oh, an old timer. But these are the feed rollers that you're having some issues with. You can see that little wire. It's not a wire, it's a leaf spring. It comes out on both sides. And it kind of faces the bottom right here when the roller's up. So let's take this off. The shaft here, I already got the screw off. Let's take this roller off. We'll show you what it looks like. So, these are your pieces. What you need is this little leaf spring. Just lays in this piece. It hangs out both sides. Oops. Alright, so hanging out on that side a little bit, and hanging out on that side a little bit. You can stick this shaft back in there and just make sure that piece stays where it's at there, hanging out, like with its leg dangling down. This camera won't focus properly, but then the shaft over there, let's just pretend this is the shaft. It's got a flat spot on the bottom, so kind of like that. It's got a flat spot. You just line that flat spot up with that leaf spring and push it on. Oops, hold the pieces together and push it on through. Make sure that little thing's on the end there stays where it's at. And then everything stays together, just like that. It's a neat little thing. Let's put it on the machine. So, all the pieces in there like that. And slide the machine over here. And back side of this is flat. So all I gotta do is get this camera up a little bit. Just kind of feel where that flat side is with your finger. Line that leaf spring up and push it on. And presto. That's it. It's pretty easy. Just looks confusing. Alright, that's our video of the day. Good day.